all older cars, after a while, headlights become foggy, and I'm gonna clean it. We already did left side, and this is how it looks after it's cleaned. And on this side is not touched yet. So the way we will clean it is with hand cleaner towels that they are roughed a little bit, and with silicone lubricant by Blaster. Get the lubricant spray on the towel, make it moist, and then scrub it all the way around, not too much on the paint to not damage it, even though I don't believe that will be damaged, but just be careful around it and scrub it for some time. Let the silicone spray be absorbed into headlights. This is how it looks after one coat, and scrub it for maybe 30-40 seconds. We'll do one more time, but you can do it like 3 or 4 times, depends on the condition of your headlights. After second time, we'll just clean the lubricant off, and this will be it. Looks like much better. Just to let you know, this is not permanent solution. This is not like headlights cleaning, but temporarily a little bit of maintenance. We can do this, depends on our weather and the climate, as much as we need. But like I said, this is not a permanent solution, then temporary maintenance. And I hope this helps somebody. Looks better in my case. And thank you for watching.